Hey guys, it's Amber here. Thank you so much for joining me today on my channel, Plan Aloud. And today is, of course, going to be a fun plan with me, but this one is going to be unique because I haven't done one of these in so long. It's going to be a recipe plan with me. So I used to have this super old spiral book that I kept all my recipes in. And this is one, or several actually, but I'm only doing one today, that really needs to be rewritten because it is our family's favorite. I use it for my chocolate cake and also use it for my chocolate chip muffins. So I'm gonna like combine it together on here. So let's go into all my food books. I think they just recently came out with another one that just was in the last release. I don't know if I need it, but I definitely might look into it. Okay, so this paper has like the little red, so I figured I might as well go with like a themed paper of red. And let's see, I'm not very comfortable with doing like recipe plan with me's or anything like that. And that's because I'm just like not used to this kind of structure. I'm thinking maybe I should maybe not use these papers necessarily because they keep me kind of like conformed into like how something needs to be written out as opposed to an empty sheet of paper. So just bear with me on this. So I'm going to go into the regular recipe. No, I don't think it's regular recipe. I think it's actually the recipe accessory book. Almost positive. Ooh, that's gonna be cute when I go to write everything out. I'm looking for some bullet points to write everything in. I literally just seen the bullet points. Maybe they're in here and I didn't realize it. There they are. Okay guys, I am going to put in my bullet points for my ingredients, which are exactly 9, which is exactly the number of lines. Going to write everything that I need and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I wrote all my ingredients in. This cake is literally the easiest cake. Let's see, the cake serves, I'm gonna write a little c, and that's gonna be 8, and then I'm gonna do a double C, and it makes 9 cupcakes if you make cupcakes. The main ingredients is, of course, flour and sugar, and honestly, this is like one of the easiest recipes. Prep time, I say the prep time is like 5 minutes, and that's being conservative. Cook time is 20 minutes, and the temperature you're gonna need it at is 350, and if making as a cake, it's gonna need to be an 8 by 8 pan, and for my cupcakes I will use cupcake liners. Because it's just easier for cleaning up the pan and everything. I'm gonna put a little star. Butter pan, and then with the liners I usually spray like a spray oil. Because if there's any like spill over, it'll be easier to get that cupcake out. And then serve this with my favorite ice cream, which I haven't done in a long time. If you want the chocolate game to be all the way up, hot cocoa. Of course, milk. Milk of choice. There's another one that I was gonna say, and I just literally just went out of my mind. By itself, always. Let's say that. Okay, so let me see in this book. I know they have the 1, 2, 3s, like the step-by-step, but I don't know if they have the step-by-step in the colors that I want. Let's see. Oh, they do. It's in the, what is this? The recipe accessory book. And here are the numbers right here. So I am going to fill this in and I'll be back. So I filled in all my preparation and even to the back. And if you would like to see that, that will definitely be in the description box. I also needed to do one thing, and I'm gonna put it over here under notes. Oh, I'll just use one of these. And I did the same thing right here, and it was just like poke the center to make sure that, you know, it's done. But I want to make a note. Just let me actually bring it down. Making muffins. You'll need a half cup chocolate chips. That's something I didn't put in my ingredients, unfortunately. So I just wanted to make a note of it under notes. So let me write the top. Let's see. Should I write it in pencil first? Maybe. Chocolate cake slash muffins. And then I think I'm gonna put a little muffin right there actually. So this is just a Papermate Flare medium. Just gonna go over it. And then when I'm done and let this dry, I will erase it so you can't see through it. But I am not a good like letterer or anything. It just hasn't been my thing to get into that. I mean, it would be good for things like this, but it's just not my thing. So we're gonna leave that as that. Now we get to decorate our pages a little bit. I don't want to do it too much. I did want to pull in these cute little whisk. I think they're in the accessory book. Let's see. Oh, I don't have a small one. Just have this huge whisk. Well, that's not fun. How about, I do have like a cute little like machine. I'm gonna go into food grain. Is there a whisk here. Doesn't look like it. Let's grab these cute little words, because trust, this is something like my family loves this. I've been eating too many of these lately. I've made so many muffins lately. I haven't made a cake. My son was actually surprised that it was a cake recipe and not a muffin recipe. So I'm gonna go into yellow food. Let's see if I can find some cuteness in here. Ooh, I don't like that it's on a green cake stand. Let's grab a couple of muffins. These are more like cupcakes. I don't make mine as cupcakes though, but that would be cute too. I want to use another one, but I don't want the colors to be clashing. That's cute. Oh, that's what I was gonna write here. Coffee. Sorry, the airplane's going over. I am gonna grab this cute little cocoa coffee shebang here. I need to cut some of this clear off. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Maybe I'll just be putting like a big old cake on here, because, and that would be in food green, because I don't think there's anywhere else that has a whisk. Oh, I spoke too soon. Pull out this red whisk. Wish I had like a, I don't want a spatula. Oh, it'd be cute with a little oven mitt, but how about a pink spoon? It matches up there, you know? And then we're gonna just put in a big old cake. That big chocolate cake that I've seen here. If I can get it up. There we go. Big chocolate cake. And I wonder, there was a little writing. It's not this one, it was a different one that I seen that was really cute that I actually wanted to use. I wanted to pull it out, but I didn't. Let me see. I'm almost positive it's in one of these books and not the accessory book. I can't find it. Maybe it's in the yellow food. I think it's towards the beginning. What's for dinner? Okay, maybe I am crazy. what I used to do on these is just like read out everything, but I figured like if I put everything in the description box, like that's where it should be. Oh, Happiness is Homemade. So it was the accessory book. Wow, what is under there that's making it hard to do this? Okay, let me just put this down here. I mean, sometimes happiness is homemade, but sometimes when you make something homemade, it doesn't taste the best. Who hasn't done that? Okay, I think it came out super cute. I could put some other little things here, but I'm not. I feel like I could put something there, maybe another whisk, but I'm not. Okay, so I used every single one of these books. I used every single one. So that was the, what is this? The recipe accessory book, the food in yellow, the recipe, and then food in green. And there is my recipe for chocolate cake slash muffins. I will make sure I put everything in the description box. And thank you so much for joining me today on my channel. If you like what I did today, you should definitely give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, click the notification so you'll be notified when I post content. Thank you again, and remember to have a beautiful one.